Welcome to this issue of CCC Trends. The U.S. has joined numerous countries using the pandemic as an impetus to shift their vehicles in operation from internal combustion engine vehicles to electric vehicles. In early August of 2021, the Biden administration announced a national goal that half of U.S. new vehicle sales would be powered by batteries or other no-emission technologies by 2023. This announcement came on the heels after the automakers committed to EV sales targets of at least 40% of their new sales by the end of the decade. Automakers and many of the largest suppliers have also announced that they would be making significant investment in EV and battery technologies. Customer acceptance of EVs is also starting to grow, and sales in the U.S. have begun to ramp up. A survey conducted in 2021 by UBS found that 37% of U.S. respondents would consider buying an electric vehicle for their next purchase, up 15 percentage points from 1 year prior. And while 2/3 of electric vehicle sales from the first half of 2021 were from one manufacturer, there are now at least 15 automakers with pure EV models and over 20 automakers with hybrid or plug-in hybrid models, showing just how quickly the electrification movement is going. But electric vehicles come with new challenges. Automakers have been hit hard this year by a shortage of semiconductor chips. As the auto industry moves to produce more EVs, it will compete for additional things like raw materials like lithium, nickel, copper, and other hard metals, critical to battery production. EVs will mean new challenges for automakers, not only in supply chain sourcing, but also in how they service and repair those vehicles once they are sold. In many ways, EVs are the poster child for growing vehicle complexity, with vehicle repairs requiring more time spent by technicians completing things like scanning vehicles, performing calibrations, and researching repair methods. So what do EVs mean for the auto insurance and collision repair sectors? Electric vehicles still account for just under 1% of CCC's national industry repairable appraisal volume. However, as sales ramp up further, claim and repair volumes will grow as well. So understanding how these change both things like frequency, costs, cycle time, and repair methodology is ever more important. Electrification is actually just one of the trends within the automotive sector that's driving immense change in the vehicle auto claims and collision repair sectors. However, since electric vehicle sales are growing and are expected to ramp up further, anticipating the changes and the new requirements they bring will become increasingly important. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.